Alright, I'm going to do a radio and HVAC check on this 96. Alright, let's start with the CD player. The radio's obviously working. We get Van Morrison today. Alright, CD player's working. Alright, so let's get dash vent first. And since I know we're warmed up here. Alright, it's spitting out air at me. Fan's blowing, and it's slowing down as I'm slowing it down. It's working there. That's rear window. Alright, defrost. Alright, it has moved from dash vent to defrost. You can see the papers blowing, so that's working as it should. Call on floor, cancels defrost, and takes us down to the floor. It is blowing warm. 56 shown on the outside temp. That's obviously working. Calling blend. Just heard the AC compressor kick off. Alright, coming out of the dash vents as it should now, and the floor vents as well. So that's working as it should. Recirc. It's open and spitting out more air now. Alright, go back to dash vent. And let's see if the AC is working. Okay, compressor kicked on. Uh, 60 degrees down on the floor of this car. Here in the dash vent. Down to 52, compressor's off. No, that was on rather. Still falling. That's compressor on. Compressor on again. Compressor off. It's on again. Off. Now it's back on. It's blowing plenty cold. The air conditioner is working. Alright. Okay, CD player works. Tape deck. Frank Sinatra sings the Beatles. Yes, that's a real thing. I don't plan to leave her. Alright, it's working and didn't eat my tape. Okay. So, I'm calling HVAC and audio in good working order. Alright, more in a minute.